the library. Were you studying for the exam?
Hi, Yuri. Yes, I was reviewing strategy management because tomorrow we have a presentation. What were you doing?
I was finishing a report about customer service. The teacher asked us to analyze how a company can improve customer attention.
I think that topic is very important because many times a customer returns because of the experience, not only the product.
Exactly. My group chose a clothing store to review its service progress.
That is good idea. We are working in Vodafone company and we reviewed in the international organization.
What did you find?
We say that they have a good product, but they need better communication with employees and supervision.
That's happening a lot in a companies, but communications can affect the results.
Yes, we start some analysis how they start to distribute their money every month.
In my case, I found interesting how a good sales strategy can increase income quality.
In business communication, in administration, everything is connected, sales, finance, staff, and planning.
That's that is true. This is why I like this career because we learn different areas.
Me too. Also, I think it helps to create your business in the future.
How you like to have a company one day?
Yes, I would like to open consulting business for small companies and you.
I would like to have an events and business organization company.
That sounds everything interesting because the sectors is growing a lot.
Yes, and it also needs a good team and budget management.
Well, I need to go to class now.
Okay, so later, good luck.
Thanks. Same to you.